Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and today I'm drawing a special custom Broly for Mikhail. This is going to be a t-shirt designed for his merchandise, which I'm really looking forward to. So Mikhail reached out to me on Instagram and wanted to Raging Broly on an A3 size paper. He also wanted me to include the words Rage on top and the name of his brand on the bottom, which is Real Supreme. As for Raging Broly, I'm using this one as a reference. It's an amazing picture of Broly, but I will not just copy it. I will of course draw this in my style. Alright guys, I think now we can enjoy the evolution of this drawing together, and I will talk to you in the end again. Like the video, subscribe if you are new, and let's go. Alright guys, last touch and then Raging Broly for Mikhail is done. I think this one turned out amazing. The skin is really popping out and I think I did a good job by including the words with the aura. As for the skin, I use a vibrant brown color tone to increase the contrast of the shades. This way the skin and the muscles really stand out. I am very happy with this drawing and Mikhail is also very happy with his first ever order. Can't wait to see this on a t-shirt, and if you guys are also interested in a custom drawing, message me on Instagram. This drawing will not be available on Etsy as it's a custom drawing for Mikhail, but on my shop you will find lots of original drawings of mine and also prints. The full-time video of the entire drawing process will be online on my real-time drawing channel soon, so subscribe over there as well. That's it guys, thank you all for watching and I see you on the next